How to link Apex Legends account from PS4 to PC. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. So starting off, launch a preferred browser on your device. Search for help.ea.com and give it a search. Now it will redirect you to the official webpage of EA. Make sure that you have created an account or logged in into your EA account. Once you are logged in, now to link your PSP on your PC, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on the option of Manage Account. From all of the options, tap on Link Account. Now in the connected account, you will find the PlayStation Network. Just tap on Link. Select the email address that you want to link in your EA, then tap on Send Code to receive a verification OTP code. Once you enter a 6-digit code, just tap on Sign In. Once verified, now the last step is to enter your credential of your PlayStation Network. By this way, you'll be able to easily link your PS4 and PC. Which wraps up this tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.